Everyone's looking at the Us versus Herd. If it's your first time here, let the content, hit subscribe. If you want to get notifications from when we post videos, tap the bell. And if you want to join the UVH fam, our community, links are below in the description to our Discord and our options trading group on Facebook. What is going on this morning? We have the S&P's up 15, Dow's up 136, NASDAQ up 37. You know, we're seeing what's going on here. We got Red Dust, Rodney, Johnny, Sunscrate. If you're just checking in, if you're just joining, see what's going on. Manchild, how we doing this morning? We're getting it popping. Happy Thanksgiving week. Looking for some, kind of some slower sessions here. Kind of plan out some trades. Kind of kick back, relax, not force any trades here, and just try to take it easy. I mean, I don't know about you guys. What do you guys think? I don't anticipate anything crazy coming out. First off, how was your guys' weekend? You guys have a good weekend? White House retaliation news. I'm trying to see what I saw that earlier. Let's see here. Market insane nonsense. Yeah, I mean, I guess that's kind of the wild card is if Trump is going to be doing anything that kind of negates anything here. Yo, Michael, KCAC gonna blow up this week. Yo, why? What's going on? What is KCAC? Kensington cap. Yeah, it does look primed to push up. Do you really move the background? I moved, man. I moved for real. I'm trying to figure out my next move here. So I moved. I'm in a temporary spot right now, and I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I sold my house, and trying to figure out if we're gonna stay in Illinois, if we're gonna move out, if we're gonna build something, if we're gonna buy some existing. We got a lot of decisions to make here. I don't know exactly what we're gonna do, but we got all winter to figure it out. Hey Sarah, what's going on? They're merging with a battery company on Wednesday. Nice. KCAC. Yeah, I mean, does look trying to push up. Okay, they only got monthlies, but kind of get things popping this week. I mean, you know, the schedule this week's gonna be a little bit on the tight side. We do have the markets closed on Thanksgiving. Markets are open on Friday, but they close at 1 p.m. Eastern time. So markets are closing early on Friday. So Thanksgiving closed Friday, 1 p.m. Eastern time. Market closes. Market's open. So if you're gonna make some moves, close out some trades. So just be mindful, especially like I highly encourage you not to trade the weeklies. But if you are trading weeklies this week, just remember you have like a day and like almost like a day and a half less than you normally would. So just count it for 2 days lost. Because we don't know if we're going to have chop. We don't know what's going to go on. We don't know if we're going to have news. I mean, sometimes we could have some volatility, but you know, we're not in a normal situation here because we are in a pandemic. I don't know if people are going to be traveling. I don't know if people are going to be going to Thanksgiving. I don't know if people what they're doing really, you know. And even I don't even know what I'm doing if I'm chilling, seeing some family. I don't know, but I know that we're not having like big gatherings. I mean, half my family right now has COVID, so we're staying away from them, obviously. So, you know, we'll see what happens. The other half of my family, you know, they're getting a little crazy too. So we'll see what's going on. Yo, Jeff, what's going on? Artie, what's going on? If you guys can do me a favor, hit the like button. So, markets are closed. Be mindful. Tuesday, we do have the Fed meeting minutes coming up. They're going to be releasing their minutes on Wednesday, 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Tesla 1,000 target announcement. There are some earnings this week. We do have tomorrow morning. Nothing really going on today. Tomorrow morning, we do have Best Buy, Dick's, Abercrombie, Dollar Tree. Dick's might be interesting because last couple quarters have been crushing in the pandemic. I don't know what that means for winter and guidance and all that, but I don't even know if they really gave guidance. I mean, we know they've been crushing it. Best Buy probably doing all right too. But we do have Nordstrom, Autodesk. Nordstrom might be interesting to play too. So we'll see what happens. Yo, Ramsey, BLNK. Yeah, I mean anything in this sector, anything in this sector right now is out of here. I mean, it's up to 25 right now. I mean, last week it just parabolic moves after earnings. I mean, pretty nice what they did here on earnings. They crushed premium really nice for earnings, and then they had a delay effect and they ran it straight up, but looking really good. Any Black Friday deals yet? You know what? I don't know. I'm not sure what I'm doing. I know I got to get some gifts for the wife. I don't know. I mean, since I'm kind of moving and transition stuff, we're gonna try to keep it light, but maybe get the new Apple Watch if there's any deals on that. You know, a lot of times, like Target will have really good deals on Apple products for Black Friday. EV sector could be great to short with bad China relations, news escalation. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I really want to short EV. I mean, it's just like you get in front of this, you're getting in front of something like this. I mean, it's just out of control. I mean, Workhorse as well, taking off this morning. Tesla. Yeah, Tesla's at 503 right now, so it's gapping up. NIO is at 50 right now, so that 50. I mean, yeah. I mean, anything in EV right now, you want to be careful. Crypto's out on Webull. Nice. I didn't see that. Yet they can't figure out how to put spreads together. You know. And I guess you're right. Webull. Excuse me. Man, I don't know. Maybe this office is giving me allergies. Oof. The heat's pumping out. Maybe I gotta clean the vent. I don't know what. I don't know. I just moved here, so I don't know what's going on. Instant settlement, so your funds are available. Yeah, I mean this looks. And they need to figure out. They need to get spreads. So they got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. So not bad. But just got the email this morning. So Snap, Carmine, Snap. Ooh, that's pushing way up. Yeah, I mean everything's up this morning. Even Boeing is up a little bit. I mean it's not looking great, but it's up. Even Boeing is up. Yeah, I mean, it's pushing 45. It's at all-time highs right now, 45.80. Woo. Yeah, this is nice. So, I mean, hopefully things can hold. I mean, things have been kind of selling off a little bit. I mean, SPY had some chop overall. I mean, it came down from almost hitting 358. It's now at 356.87. So that's coming down. Q's right now 291. Kind of mid-range right now from that massive drop. So I mean, everyone's questioning that drop on Friday and kind of what's going to happen this morning. Is it going up? Is it going down? I mean, right now it's kind of 50-50. I mean, there's not really. Other than, right now they're pumping out vaccine news like you wouldn't believe. You know, like they're pumping out. They're pumping out. You know, like Regeneron received emergency use authorization over the weekend for its antibody cocktail. I guess Trump's COVID treatment plan became emergency use, FDA approved emergency use. There's some vaccines supposed to be pushing out like December 11th to elderly people. I mean, all weekend they were pumping out vaccine news all weekend. So it's not surprising that we gapped up, right? It's not surprising at all. Yo, Daniel Ring, what's up? Boeing 737 MAX jet is safe to fly. European Union saying, man, it's crazy. But yeah, they were pumping out. They were just pumping out vaccine news after vaccine news after vaccine news over the weekend. So, you know, us gapping up, not surprising. The question is, can we hold the gap up? Yo, J Cam, what's up, bro? What's up? So kind of my game plan for the week ahead. I'm gonna be trying to look at selling some premiums. I'm gonna probably take it easy. Maybe look at BB Best Buy. I mean, might be looking at an opportunity in Best Buy. We have premiums coming in. I mean, only 80%. Theta's gonna hit pretty hard this week, so I'm gonna see if we can. See if we can actually sell some premiums maybe for this week. Just be careful. Here in VA, we're going back to phase 2. Yo, we're already in Illinois. We're tier 3, man. We're basically, we're one step away from being total lockdown. And chances are, I don't know what's going on here. Chances are we're going to be getting locked down. I mean, they've already told kids not to come back to school till January in some states. I mean, things are getting crazy. But that being said, this week, I'm just gonna try to play it slow. Gonna be looking at Best Buy. Gonna be looking at. Hold on 1 second. I don't know why I hear my nose starts running. Hold on. I think it's too much heat in here. Too much heat pushing out. Gold's up pretty. See, gold's up. No, gold's not up. That's the Russell. Gold's actually down, but gold has been holding right here. So if it can hold, this will be good. 1850 area, 1860. If it can hold here, that'll be good. If it doesn't hold here, I think we're gonna hit it. We're gonna hit the 1800s. We need a hold. It needs to hold on here, but it seems like it's not. It seems like it's not wanting to go anywhere. I don't know if anyone's trading gold right now. But I've been looking a little bit into it. But everyone's trading crypto right now because things are popping back off in the crypto world. So what stocks are you guys looking at? Stocks you guys want to look at here? Looking at Apple. No matter what, just doesn't look good. It's having some consolidation, but I think it needs to come down to the 115 area. SNE. Yeah, Sony's popping off. PlayStation 5. I mean, a lot of news in here, but question is kind of what's baked in at this point in time. Premium's a little bit on the low side. $2 expected move. I mean, just looks like we're expected to get some chop in here, but it looks like if you accumulate some shares, it could pop off out of here. Yeah, Faisal, we did look at Blink. Blink's popping off too this morning. Probably continuation. Nvidia. Yeah, so Nvidia, I wonder what are the COVID safe stocks doing? So Nvidia, I mean, I'm not saying Nvidia is really COVID safe. Nvidia is not really, I mean, it's up a little bit, but it's not really going anywhere right now. But I mean, it looks like some nice consolidation. You know, buy if we can come back down to like the 500, lower 500s, might be a good buy opportunity. I need Apple to drop so I can purchase 100 shares. No. Zoom, what's Zoom doing this morning? So Zoom is gapping down, but it's pushing back up. I mean, Zoom had a great week last week. I mean, after getting dropped, I mean, it ran from 375 up to 445. Currently at 435 right now, looking like it's gonna make its, it's gonna try to fill this gap in here to back up to 500. So might be an interesting play to maybe sell some. Maybe if we get a little bit of a drop on Zoom, maybe sell some put credit spreads on Zoom. Might be good. I mean, implied volatility is a little bit high, but I think let's see here. Sorry, I don't know where I was going. Okay, November 30th. So they're Monday. Earnings are Monday. So I was expecting a premium to be a little bit higher, but it's only at 110. But the expected move for next week is plus or minus $71. So it might be interesting on Zoom to get into a pre-earning run, but sell before earnings. You know what I mean? Man, I don't know what's going on here. Maybe it's too much dust in here or something. I don't know. It's not dusty in here. I don't know. I gotta figure this out. Because every time I live stream, like my nose starts running for some reason. Whew. Yeah, maybe I think Zoom might be a good pre-earnings run, or do you think people are going to dump before earnings? But I do like the chart where it's at. If we can get some more pullback on it down to like the 400 area, it might be good to sell some premiums, credit put spreads. I mean, I guess the question is, I mean, what's their outlook going to be? You know, if there is a good vaccine, because now we have to start thinking about Q1 2021. You know, because this is the last earnings for the year for Zoom. So Q1 2021, Q2 2022, or 2021, Q2 2021. What do you guys think the world is going to be like Q1, Q2? Is the vaccine going to start making some dent in this? Is it not? Are we what's going to happen? UVXY. Yeah, I mean UVXY obviously. I mean it's just been going downhill for a while, but it definitely looks like it's leveling out here at 12. You know, you just want to go slow and low. Go slow and low. One trade idea I was looking at. So I don't know if anyone is trading Nat Gas here. UNG. I was looking at this over the weekend. Might get a little bounce up here to like the 11 area. I mean, it's trying to push already. After kind of having this bottom out at 960, it's pushing back up over to 10, but we'll see. I don't know. I don't trade Nat Gas that much, so I mean I might trade it once or twice a year. So I'm looking. This looks interesting to me if it can. If we can get a little bit of a bounce here. I mean, can it go back up to 11 or 12? We'll see. We'll see. But I might put a play on Nat Gas. That's what I'm looking at. When is the breakout for Apple? As soon as they can get above 120 and hold. If we can get to 125, great. I mean, hopefully they have a good earnings season. And a good holiday season, so that way they can report good earnings and people are buying, and hopefully people are buying new iPhones. You know, that's what they want to see. You know, they delayed the iPhone, which hurt them for this quarter. So, you know, it kind of is what it is. Let's see, Netflix. Ooh. So Netflix is pumping back up. You know, Netflix is pushing 500 again. This looks relatively good down here again. You know, anything below 475 is the buy zone for them. Man, my nose is driving me nuts here. Sorry guys, I don't know what's going on. Happened last time I live streamed too. We'll have to figure it out. So Netflix looks pretty good down in this range. It could definitely pump up 500, 515 area. I don't know if it's gonna go back up to 550, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Yeah, JCam. I think is it all social media? Is all social media moving, or just Snap? Facebook's not up that much. What's Twitter doing? Twitter's up a little bit. Not enough. Yo, Jared, F-Cell. He's starting to be allergic to the call. Yeah, F-Cell. Yeah, all these stocks are flying. What's So TAN, this is slowing down a little bit, but it does look like does look like does anyone want to trade this ETF? TAN, it does look like this could pop up above 80 if it can get a little bit of momentum here. I mean, it looks definitely looks nice here. But the TAN, I don't really like that their ETF is called TAN, you know. But anyways, KXIN. Everyone's nose runs. I don't know. What's the demands and squeeze for the Tesla before the 21st and after the 21st? Hey man, Tesla's gonna do what's gonna do. You know, the higher it goes, the more shorts get squeezed. You know, that's pretty much it. Yeah, this one I don't know about this one. This looks like it could go down to $1 any minute, or it could rip up to 220. You know, this is definitely a gamble in here. What's JP Morgan doing? JP Morgan's up a little bit this morning. We also have banks. I mean, Bank of America's doing well. Goldman's up. Oof. We'll see. AMD is about to break resistance. Yeah, I mean, we got some things going on this morning. AMD. Yeah, we'll see if AMD can push out of this range. I mean, it looks like if it could break out up like to 86, 87, we could get somewhere. But it's just being held down. What's DKNG doing? DKNG, because they had a massive drop on Friday here, and it held that drop down here around 48. As soon as it touched 50, I mean, it hit 50.05, came straight down. Looks like it's calling up for another run here. Looks good to push up above 50 eventually here. I mean, it could chop in here, but I do think that it's going to go 55. DKNG could be a good play. The problem is, like, his drops are wicked. You know? What about Penn? What's Penn doing? Penn looks a little bit more stable, but I mean, I'm actually really surprised this recovered back up to 70. I mean, all these like gambling stocks have been recovering. What's like Win and MGM? I mean, these guys are actually holding up in here. Like, this is 95. It's holding here. It's at 96 this morning, 95, 96. I don't know. This looks pretty scary though. Like for Win, MGM. But the gambling stocks, I mean, they're holding. I mean, you think we're going to recover back up? I don't know. But right now, they're holding. Penn actually turned a profit last quarter. Nice. Uber. Yeah, Uber's up this morning too. I think that there's, you know, it's at 48. Doesn't look particularly strong. I mean, it had a crazy Uber and Lyft. Lyft on Friday was down 5% on Friday. Uber, I mean, had a really nice fade here all day. I mean, the thing is, it pumped up. I don't even know why I did it. It pumped up and then faded hard, right? It's not particularly strong this morning either. So I do think it's still going to come down to the 45 area on Uber. Lyft. Yeah, Lyft was down 5%. I mean, it's come down from 41 down to 37. We're up at 38 right now. So I think Lyft could come down to 35. So I'm looking for Lyft 35, Uber 45. I keep trading bullish on the very short term, but my gut is screaming short. Yeah, I've been shorting, and it hasn't been going bad, but you have to really take your profits because of this, of what's happening today. You really, 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 really have to take your profits. Yo, Fazal, I did. It's a brand new furnace in this place that I got here. I think it's just blowing out too much dust. We have to clear the. I think we have to clear the actual vents out. I'm feeling better now. I don't know what happened here. All right, market is about to open. What's Amazon doing? Amazon. Yeah, I do like to maybe sell some premium in Amazon down around here. And implied volatility is really low though. But I'm looking like the lower, if we can get, I mean, it's like consolidating choppiness. I mean, I think that I'm going to try to buy some dips here on Amazon for I'm probably looking in, might want to go January or so. Try to buy some. I'm trying to look for some slow and low plays because I think that we're going to have some lower volatility here with the vaccine news, with the holidays, and I'm looking to position myself for a potential Santa rally is what I'm trying to do here. The Santa rally, people are like, Santa rally is real. Santa rally is real. Sometimes he's not on time, but it's real. The Santa rally, basically it's like a low volume melt up. So I'm trying to get myself into some positions right now to take advantage of that. All right, market is opening up here in 1 minute. We're going to see what it does. We got, what's Datadog doing? Datadog's still at 89 here. It's been sitting here. I mean, it's gone up and down, but it's been chilling here. Yo, Chewy, what up? Happy Monday. Best day of the week for traders is Monday. Yeah, so I like Netflix. I like short Uber and Lyft still. Roku. So Roku, I mean it's been incredible. I just don't really. I didn't like Roku at 100, let alone 270. But I'm not willing to short it. Yeah, Roku. I guess you just hop on and close your eyes. Is that it? Is that it? You just hop on and close your eyes. All right, market just opened. We have the S&P's up 20, Dow's up 190, NASDAQ up 48. Oof. We chilling. We'll see what it does here. Yeah, Nordstrom's up 4% pre-earnings, so Nordstrom's going to have some earnings coming up here soon. We'll see what happens. Uber, what are you doing? Uber's staying down right now. We have SPY at 357. It's trying to launch off here off of 356. We got the Q's pushing up as well, up to 291. We'll see what we can do. Tesla up almost 4% right now. It's up at 507, 508 area right now. Tesla. And they're gonna squeeze shorts, aren't they? They're gonna do it. They are going to do it. We got VIX down only 20 cents though. VXX down 20 cents as well, but holding. Apple's not green. Apple is red right now. Apple selling off right now. I am holding SPG. I'm down on SPG, so I am down SPG right now. I'm down about, I lost another $58 today. Look at it coming to me. I'm down 158. I was down 100 on Friday on SPG because it just wouldn't come together, and now I'm down 157. So we'll see what happens. I mean, I got till December, but I'm gonna see what it does in this area. If it tries to break out, obviously I'm gonna have to cut it loose. I did lose $61 shorting the Dow last night. It stopped me out, I guess, but it's all good. But we're losing some money now on Goldman Sachs, up a little bit on Uber. So nothing really going on here. So we gotta make something happen here. But you don't want to force any trades on Thanksgiving week. You know what I mean? Just want to take it easy. Try to find some good setups. Not get too crazy. TLT. One of the things that I would notice, like on Friday, well, all week from Wednesday to Friday, TLT just straight ripped. It's at 160 right now. Which, I mean, if it crosses over 163. I mean, that's going to be crazy, I think, for TLT. It does look like it wants to push up still too. So anybody here trading or watching TLT, or just me? Both Tesla and I up almost 5%. Yeah, I mean, this is nuts. NIO, oof. Workhorse is pushing. Alibaba's up nice. It's up. We'll see what happens. I mean, I want to see if it can hold these gains here. I mean, I think it's going to try to fill this gap, but I mean, this is crazy. This is crazy. Yeah, Alibaba. I really want to put a position on there, but what did I say? I should have put a position on Domino's last week. What did I say about this area, guys? What did I say last week? Domino's. Should have put a position, and now look at it. It's running to 400. Like I said, it was going to run. I should have put a position on. But the good news is, even when you don't put a position on something, I don't think you should feel bad, because that means you're spotting opportunities in the market, and you're going to miss some. You're going to hit some. You're going to spot opportunities in the market, and as long as you can spot opportunities in the market, you're going to continue to make money. NIO balance sheet, is it reliable? I mean, I don't know, man. I mean, you know how it goes with the Chinese stocks. I mean, the one thing about NIO is what the market or analysts and people are saying is that people in China are most likely to buy a car from them versus Tesla, being that it's a Chinese brand. Which I definitely can see that. Why would you, in America, a lot of Americans, especially like the older generation, they like to buy Ford, GM, et cetera, et cetera. But, younger generation, I like Toyota, I like Nissan. I mean, it's all good with me, right? Zoom is dying. Yeah, Zoom is probably dying. I mean, as you guys can see here, we're getting into a rotation of the market where it's COVID news, vaccine news, COVID news, vaccine news, rinse, repeat, up, down, up, down, up, down. So today they're playing the vaccine news. I'm sure soon they're gonna start playing the COVID news, and it's gonna rotate. As you can see, that's how the market. I mean, we're not doing good as a country in terms of coronavirus, you know. I mean, what are the numbers at right now? So for the U.S., let me pull it up here. For the U.S. right now, I mean, we topped the other day over the weekend 198,000 a day. Let's see where deaths at. Deaths were at. I still don't understand why it goes up and goes way down, up and then way down. I mean, is this how they're like? Shouldn't it be more like this, where it's not as choppy, where there's an actual trend, but like it goes down and then straight up, straight down and then straight up, straight down and then straight up. Like, I mean, obviously it's trending higher up in here, but I feel like there's not many, even though there's a lot more cases, there's not that many more deaths, you know? Like, I don't understand. So, I mean, yeah, people are getting sick, but I feel like if people aren't dying, then it's not, I mean, that's really what they're looking at, right? But then they're like, well, we don't know the long-term effects. And I mean, I get all that. I get all that. But we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Yeah, Zoom. Let's see. What's Peloton? Is Peloton? Yeah, Peloton is getting axed too. Where'd my mouse go? Lost my mouse. Where are you? I literally lost my mouse. Try to. Well. Wait. What's going on here? I cannot find my mouse. Come on. Yeah, I don't know what happened to my mouse. I don't have a spare one next to me. Well, I'm having a rough go since I've moved here. I mean, I can't. Well, since I don't have a mouse, guys, I'm gonna have to take off here. I'm gonna have to try to find one, I guess. It's gonna be annoying. So, oh my gosh. So I'm gonna pop off here, guys. I don't know. My mouse is not. I have one of these, like this Microsoft Touch mouse, but it's not. I mean, it's got a light on it. It's working, but I don't know where it went on my computer. It's not anywhere. I'm clicking. Nothing's happening. I think my computer said no more. We out of here. Now that we got therapeutics and knows how to treat it better, now they start treating the aspirin and to thin the blood. Well, I mean, we got the S&P's up 20, Dow's up 212, Nasdaq up 70. Yeah, I've turned off the mouse many times. Nothing's happening. Nothing's happening. Turn it off right now. Turn it back on. It's gone. It's gone. All right. Well, since I can't do anything here, guys, you guys have a safe day. I'll try to reboot my computer here. I think it's my computer. So, you guys have a great day. Stay safe. Stay green. It's us versus herd.